If VLC Media Player is crashing while trying to play MKV videos, then don't worry as we know how to solve it. Watch this video till the end to learn how you can solve this issue. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, the home of all tech solutions. VLC Media Player is known for its ability to play almost all video formats because of its separate codec library. So, it should easily play MKV videos. If it's crashing while trying to play MKV videos, it's likely due to app corruption or hardware acceleration. First, try disabling hardware acceleration on VLC, and if that doesn't work, try reinstalling it. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. So, let's begin. To disable hardware acceleration on VLC Media Player, first open VLC. Click on the Tools tab and select Preferences from the menu. Select the Input/Codecs option. Here, you will find the Hardware Acceleration option in the Codecs section. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Disable. Save the changes and restart VLC. Now, you should be able to play MKV video files on VLC without having it crash. If it still crashes, then try reinstalling VLC and that should fix it. So, that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.